M0FXB, welcome back to my ICOM 705 videos. On the App Store, there is an app called 705 Remote. Tap it, this will appear. Then you get a message. Press menu, set, Bluetooth set, then pair in reception. So let's do it. Menu, set, we'll look for Bluetooth. Bluetooth set. Go down one with the large VFO, pairing reception. And then we'll hit pairing. Hopefully, this is going to pair. 705 iOS now connected. We'll go back. Oh, maybe in CIV address mismatch between 705 remote and 705. Please check CIV address on the 705. Okay, we'll do that. Now I will tap open settings. It's disconnected. Okay, that did work, and I'll show you what I set. We just went to menu, set, went to connectors, CIV, and we set A4H. Okay, A4H. Right, let's see what we can do with this app. The first thing I did was switch it to this black screen, and the way I did it, I went up, went into the settings, then went to display, and I chose dark, okay? And then went back to the app, which does disconnect when it's not on screen. Then you wait. It connects. And you can see there, you can tap the different bands. You can change filters. So when I said band, I meant mode. It's giving you some presets here as well. I remember I'm brand new to this. So band 7. What LSB? Tune. I mean, it's good, isn't it? Because it means I can just lean back. I don't need to have this cable. I know I've got a cable here. I don't need this cable. If I just lean back, you can't see me, but I'm just leaning back. I mean, that is cool. Come on. For free. And look how good it looks as well. Let's keep playing around. So we've got volume. I'm going to try this with my Zygo because I swear they use the same CIV address. But anyway, let's do squelch there. Well, that's more of an FM thing. And then we've got volume. Settings and RF power. Just change that to 100. Let's just check. Yep, and let's do that again. Let's check 10%. I can power it off, which I'll do that in a sec. More settings here. I noticed this, you're not seeing loads. You've got the CIV address for different radios, and look at all the different radios that it allowed. So I'm guessing that this will work, and I'll try it with my 7610 as well. Although, let me think now, that hasn't got Bluetooth, so maybe not. I don't know. I'll have to learn more. And then frequency range. It's interesting that it says Japan one there. Whether that actually would apply, because obviously the frequency range is slightly different. Meter refresh rate. I left it on fast. Go back up. Tap the app. Bit of a delay while it connects. What's down here? Is that our step? Yes. Of course, we can still use the radio. Excellent. I cannot fault that at all. It's a really good find and it's free. And all the links will be in the description. Thanks for watching my videos on the 705. And this is an iPhone 13. Bye for now.